Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So the picture this week is exactly the sentiment of the market and what's going on in the market at the moment. So big up, big down, big up. Really confused, not really sure what's going on. Oscillators all grouped together and flat, moving averages coming together here. There's no real clear direction of what we're going to do. Now, the Euro is under pressure with a lot of the elections going on in Europe, or snap elections or snap polls that are happening in Europe. So that's the one side of it. Then the other side of it is you have the US side, where we've got a whole lot of data coming out which could impact the dollar, and also the uncertainty around when rate cuts are happening. So it's a sort of a double whammy to this pair. So, you know, bad news in Europe drives the euro down and the dollar up, and then good news in the US is going to drive the dollar down, which will affect the euro. So that's this yo-yo effect that we are seeing at the moment, and it's been going on for the last 2 weeks. So one thing that has happened this week, it does look like we've found a little bit of support here. If you look left, you can see there's a couple of touches at this level, and that is 107102. So we did come down this week. Moving averages are pointing up. We're flirting now with a 150 EMA around 107,464 right now. So no clear break and retest. This is the level I'd be paying attention to for the break and retest, 107,464. Price needs to move up, needs to come back, needs to come and test this in order for me to get any level of excitement brewing for a move to the upside. Yesterday was, again, a move below the moving averages, then back up, then a hanging man that formed with follow through and then rejection of that. So to me, this still means we could basically reject this area and come all the way back down to the bottom of the structure right now. And remember, I've been saying it for quite some time, that this area down here at 106728 is weekly structure. It's a weekly level of support, monthly level of support, going back multiple years. So there's going to have to be a large catalyst to break through that level, to be honest. So my view is sit back and wait still. I don't think you want to get involved in this just yet. You know, if you are on, if you are an individual which has time on your hands and you can sit back and watch the 5-minute structures and get in and out on the 5-minute structures, you can make quite a bit of money on this. You can see, I think this was the market open. Yeah, that's 8 o'clock Europe time, so that was pre-market open, and you can see how we got inside bar and then other hanging man. But if you just put your levels in, see there's structure from previous day. Yeah, we bounced around here pre-market, then up, tried again. There was a short here on offer, and fairly decent short, and in the same breath just move this level. There was a messy long on offer here as well. See, this was time was that 2, 3, 4. So that was a bit of data that came out in the US, and you can see big down, big up, and then settled down, and then eventually found some structure for a move to the upside. So there is definitely opportunities to make money on the lower time frames. Not so much on the 15-minute, but definitely on the 5-minute and lower. But that means you need to be watching this and sitting in front of it 24/7, which I don't really have the time to do. So anyway, for me, this is just sit back and wait. I don't think it's worth trying to second guess it. It could be the start of something to the upside, but you've got July holidays coming up, so 4th of July holiday coming up. So whatever happens today with all the data coming out, it could just be another yo-yo day, or everything could align and we could just shoot stars or fall back down to 106728. Your guess is as good as mine right now. So I am sitting quietly and waiting for this range to break clearly and retest clearly before I get in on it. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.